Hi all, welcome back to my Gurukul. Today I thought I'll update this video on clay modeling. We have used cutters of different shapes and size. I will show you what we have used to make this bird. The concept of bird with flowers in the background. I mean a bird sitting on a tree. Okay, so Kairav will be taking you through the video and it might be a little fast forwarded. The materials required, different kinds of clay. I have used this play toy what Kairav had. This is to cut the flower. This is to make the circle. This is to make the lines on the feathers, a roller. I thought, and a knife. Of course, knife and the screwdriver, we haven't used it. I thought we will use the plus sign of the screwdriver to give some finishing, but then we didn't use it in the video. So we have taken a white sheet and Kairav is roughly made it blue. Right, so you can see the cutting of the flower is easy, just rolling of the clay and cutting it into flower shape. But then for feathers and for leaf, feathers I have two colors, yellow color and blue color, and green color for leaves. I'm using the opposite side of a boat. I will show you in the coming video. Now you will be able to see it. Kairav as of now is trying to make flowers, cut flowers. Of course the first one was difficult for him, then he learned the trick. I was prompting from behind to ask him to focus into the camera and not go out of the focus. Okay, the rest of the thing, apart from how we cut the feathers, the all others I don't think so there is an explanation needed. So I will be forwarding this video as of now with a light music for you to see and observe. Yes, and yes, we are not, yeah, I'll show you this one. See how we did the same concept of cutting leaf. We use the same concept for making small feathers of yellow and blue color. Kairav rolled the dough first, and then we used back side of a play toy. This is actually a play, I mean this is actually a bead from the Flinto box, right? So we used the back side, the behind part of it, which had a oval shape, right, or a teardrop shape, or a water drop shaped cutting behind it. Yes, not a cutting, actually an impression behind it. So using that impression we cut the leaves. So I will show you how these leaves were made. Kairav will take out one and show it to you. Yes, so this is how we made the leaf, and one side of the leaf we will make it pointed, so that will become beautiful leaf. The same thing will happen for small feathers for the birds. And enjoy the video and the music. Yes, and before I start off the music, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep supporting us, and keep forwarding these videos to your friends if you do like them, to help us keep motivated and make more videos for you. Thank you. Here's the entire bird modeling, clay modeling for you all. To give an impression of the eye for the bird, we used pepper, simple plain pepper, just kept on the white dough.